Hello, friends. I will tell you my story about my adventure. So, everything started this way. I have seen a magazine with a man suntanning at the sun. The man in the magazine looks very happy, so I thought I will also go and suntan in the beach. When I arrived at the beach, I suntanned on his chair and bad things were happening to me because I felt very hot that day. So, one more scientific thing. Now I think I'm changing to a liquid because I'm getting some heat. So look at my chart. So solid changes to liquid, and when the solid gets energy, it changes to liquid because it has more space and moves faster. And here's the other thing, and here's I have written it so you guys can make sure it. Okay, so that's that. I realized that I was a liquid. I'd never known I was a liquid. I thought that would happen to me. So I shouted for help. Then a kid came and kicked my face into the beach. And how rude was that? Unfortunately, the sun was very hot that day and the water in the beach was evaporating. So now you can see I'm changing the gas into liquid. So I was a liquid and I changed to gas. And when the liquid changed to gas, you got heat, which gets more energy. So this is the molecule of gas, which you guys can look. It has very many spaces, and this is the this is the way I've written it. And here's the reminders. So when I floated away, I went into a cloud, and I realized that my body is changing into a liquid. And that's what I know when it is all called under condensation. So, condensation is the example of change of gas into liquid, and that's the thing which is happening to me now. So, in the cloud, which also happens, it changes to rain. It also participates in the water cycle. So, now I was keep falling down from the sky, and I went through a cool layer of air. Then, when I went through it, I was a liquid then. I thought what would happen when I land on the floor. So sadly, I fell into a can of fire. So I was really desperate to do about this. So that's how I need to do the adventure again and again and again. So that's my end of the story, and thank you for reading all my stories and hearing my story. And so an example, this guy is the Murphy, and this guy's name is Murphy. So yeah, the end.